Hi everyone, it's Jonathan. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to make a cheese sauce that is great on a variety of Tex-Mex dishes like enchiladas. It's very simple to make. It only has 6 ingredients. They are a quarter of a cup of unsalted butter, a quarter of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese, a 4.5 ounce can of chopped green chilies, and half a teaspoon of table salt. Now for my recipe, I actually didn't have enough milk. I only had about 1.5 cups. So I actually am just gonna add in a little bit of extra cheese. So my recipe is gonna be a little bit different than what I said because I am working with what I've got in my house. All right, so I know everyone's washed their hands. So our first step is we're going to get a heavy saucepan, and we're gonna turn our stove onto a medium low, and we're gonna go ahead and melt our 4 tablespoons of butter. All right, now that our butter is nice and melted, the next step is we're going to take our quarter cup of all-purpose flour and we're going to whisk it in until it is nice and smooth. And that should be just about a minute. And you want to make sure that the flour gets cooked, so you want to be consistently whisking. So the next step is, as we are still whisking, we're going to increase our heat from medium-low to medium, and then we are gradually going to mix in our milk. So remember, we just want to do a little slow stream. And then we can take a little break. And we just want to make sure that this gets fully incorporated into our butter flour mixture. All right, so now that we've been whisking away for 5 minutes, we have a nice thick mixture, okay? We're immediately going to remove it from the heat. I'm gonna turn that heat off. Still gonna keep whisking because I'm gonna continue to whisk some other things. We can go ahead and whisk in our cheese. That on there, we want it to melt all together. Doesn't have to be completely melted together just yet. Then I wanna add in my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm also gonna add in my green chilies. Now I'm gonna incorporate all this by whisking. Until it is nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna taste it. Different. It's good. So there you have it. I'm just gonna keep mixing this until it's nice and creamy and smooth. And then there you have it. That's our cheese sauce, a 6-ingredient cheese sauce that you can use on a variety of, well, any dish really that you want to use a cheese sauce for, but specifically Tex-Mex recipes. Thanks so much for watching.